Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Russell's Views. I'm Ross, and right now I'm just going to finish off my last pack with Carlton, my new little mini whoop. The wind is picking up, so it's really killing the batteries fast, and it's a tiny little drone, so it really gets taken in the wind pretty easily. So this is the last battery for it.